Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can zoom in and zoom out on Mozilla Firefox. So let us dive right into it. Alright, launch Mozilla Firefox, and there are two different approaches to this, guys. The first option would be to simply use the built-in zoom in, zoom out function or feature here on Firefox. You may enable it or access it by clicking into these three lines in the top right corner. And as it is the case in most web browsers nowadays, like Edge, Chrome, Opera, etc., they usually feature such a zoom in feature. Here you may customize it or adjust it by clicking into minus and plus, and that way, for example, resize the font, as you can see. So if I click into minus, I will be given the opportunity to zoom out pretty much or pretty heavily, or zoom in a bit to increase the font size. That's one way, guys. You may also enter the full screen mode by clicking into this button. Alternatively, you may install also an extension if you like, guys, that will give you more zoom in, zoom out options. To access your extensions and to install them, simply click into these three lines here, select extensions and themes, and here click into find more ads, and use the search bar here at the top to find in, for example, extensions under zoom or zoom in. Let me go zoom in. And yeah, you can go through these search entries here or simply press enter, and after that go through that list. You will see the users that are currently or that use the given zoom feature. You may go, for example, with this one here. Now, I haven't tested this one, but 4.5 stars is actually pretty decent. So by users here on in the Firefox library. So what you want to do is click into add to Firefox here. And as you can see, it's also available on Android. Wait for the installation to be finished, click into add here, and that's basically it. Let me just pin the extensions to the toolbar, and let us find out how it can be used. You will see it here in the top right corner in the list of extensions pinned to the toolbar. So you may click into it, and after that, well, as you can see, guys, that it doesn't seem to work. So not all of these extensions seem to work. Maybe it does work, but only on specific websites and not on the home page. But as far as I understand, you should be able or given the opportunity to adjust the zoom in and zoom out here or reset the zoom. But yeah, as you can see, that that extension doesn't seem to work, at least not for me properly. So let me just unpin it, and after that also remove it. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.